Good day. Today we're going to convert OLM files from macOS to MSG files, a format that can be viewed on any Windows device. So we have some OLM files here. We're gonna allow them to enumerate. Once all the messages are displayed, we can start the process of exporting these files into MSG files. These options or these features only available in MailDex version 2. So once all the files are loaded, we'll start the process. We'll move them into a local folder into a different format. Now, with the addition of the number row, you can identify how many emails you'll be exporting. So for this test, we're gonna do 100 emails. So we select the first one, and we scroll down to the 100 mark, and that's it. We now head over to the Export tab, and we look for the profile that says Copy Selected. Once we click on Export, it will then again let you know, hey, you have 100 emails selected. Or do you want to go and select all the emails in this file, which is 6,954. We're going to stay with the 100. I'm going to click on Start Export, and it's going to give you the option to select the location where you want to send the new email files. So for that, we're going to go to, let's go to our Downloads folder, MailDex Export, and let's use the Copy Selected folder. I'm going to press OK, and the software goes to work, processing the changes. We're going to follow along here. And here you should be able to see the messages coming up or being generated as the file, as the software converts them. Now, during the conversion, you're gonna see some 0 kilobyte files, and that's because they're still converting. Once it's finalized, you should have the same size of message that you have in MailDex. So the process is quite fast, and once you're done, you'll be able to use these files for to open them in Microsoft Outlook, or to use another email client that support MSG files and import them and reply. So we are going back to that folder. And as you can see, most of the 0 kilobyte files are now gone, and they are fully generated into MSG files. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please feel free to use our trial to test the software yourself. Again, this is only available in version 2 of MailDex. It is available on our website at Encryptomatic.com. Have a wonderful day.